Hello dear friends, welcome to Bullet Trend Revision of PYQs and the PYT series. This is the session for the Surgery NEET PG previous 5 years MCQs. Let's start. Surgery NEET PG 2023, the recent exam pattern we are going to follow. As you can see, the first question, a 55-year-old male presented with the varicose carcinoma around the glans of the penis. So get ready, the topic is glans of the penis, penile cancer. This topic is important and its a treatment, especially the surgical treatment, is important, which we have to focus. Examination reveals that the inguinal lymph nodes are not enlarged. What is the appropriate management for this patient? And image was given. This is the session for the one liner for the topics, so we are not including the images right now. You can get this one at our channel in detail. So answer was given the partial penectomy. So no excuse with this penile carcinoma, penile diseases for the 2024 exam. Now you can see, identify the procedure being performed in the image given below. Again, our image based session, and answer was given the intraosseous route assess for giving IV fluid. So for current topics, you have to focus for the different routes of the nutrition. Next, the diabetic patient. Yes, a diabetic patient. So definitely diabetes is one of the most common cause of the death in the world, along with the cardiovascular disease and the cancer. So no excuse with the diabetes topic. This is our analysis. So you can see, patient presents with the sudden onset perineal pain. On examination, foul smelling discharge and necrotic tissues as seen in the image is noted. Which of the following is true about given condition? So answer was mixed aerobic and anaerobic infection. This is the surgery and microbiology integrated topic. Now the question, which of the following is the most common complication following ligation of the first vessels during abdominoperineal resection, APR, for rectal carcinoma? So mark this rectal carcinoma. This rectal carcinoma topic is important, which you have to prepare. Definitely anal cancer and the rectal carcinoma, they are very important topic. Yes, answer was the sympathetic retrograde ejaculation and bladder dysfunction. Then you can see the next question. Sir, a patient presents to the clinic with the lesion given in the image. He had a traumatic injury to the chest. Yes. So our topic is trauma to the chest. Chest trauma is important topic, which you have to prepare for the next exam. Yes. What is the most likely diagnosis? Image based question was given and answer was the keloid. Definitely keloid, burn, scar, the general surgery part. One question sure in your upcoming exam. Next, our analysis. Yes, you can see a 45-year-old male underwent bilateral laparoscopic hernia repair for the inguinal hernia. So no excuse with the inguinal hernia. Sure short one question is going to ask in your next exam. Post-operatively, he complained of the pain in the right thigh. Which of the following nerve entrapment leads to the symptoms? This is the lateral cutation of the thigh. This is the beautiful integration of the surgery with the anatomy. This is our meralgia paresthesia. Come to the next question. This is your analysis. The Glasgow coma score. Definitely in one question, the Glasgow coma score will be asked. So you can see the question. A patient was brought to the emergency room following a road traffic accident. On examination, the patient opens his eye to a painful stimulus, speaks inappropriately with and withdraws his limbs to a painful stimulus. What is the Glasgow coma score? So answer is the E2 V3 M4. Yes, Glasgow coma score, no excuse. It is very, very important topic. Now, look, a patient presented with fever and abdominal pain with jaundice. Jaundice is very, very, very important topic. You have to read all aspect related to the jaundice. Investigation showed the given findings. Which of the following statements is true regarding this condition? Answer was the echinococcus species is involved in this etiology. So, echinococcus you have to learn. Yes, it is your correlation with the microbiology. Now, a 40-year-old male patient presented with a swelling that has been slowly growing in the past 2 years. So this was the question, and your important topic was the parotid. Parotid tumor was the answer. So no excuse. Definitely one gland: parotid gland, submandibular gland, thyroid gland. Sure, short one question from this topic. So now come to the our next 2023 surgery question. Patient who is known case of the alcoholism is very, very common among every part of the world. So definitely one topic related to the alcoholic cirrhosis. Yes, alcohol complication, sure. So there was the question, different parameter was given, and alpha fetoprotein. Yes, alpha fetoprotein is very important tumor marker. You have to learn about it. You have to remember the differential diagnosis of raised alpha fetoprotein, and in this situation the answer was the hepatocellular carcinoma, liver carcinoma. You must study. Now our analysis is saying the next question was related with our pancreatitis, acute pancreatitis as well as chronic pancreatitis. Definitely acute pancreatitis is more important topic. You have to focus, and answer for this question was a longitudinal pancreaticojejunostomy. So you have to look for this topic. Now can you see the next topic, the breast? Definitely the breast carcinoma, one of the most common cancer in the world among the female. Yes, and it is related with the BIRAT score. BIRAT 5 was given. So answer for this question, which of the following is good prognostic factor? So you have to learn about the prognostic factor. Yes, that was the our estrogen receptor positivity. So you have to look for this topic. Now can you see the next topic, the aortic dissection? The question over the aortic dissection is very important. Aneurysm is very important. A patient presented with a sudden onset of the chest pain shooting to the neck and interscapular region. So according to the course of the your aorta, yes, it is upward, then backward and the left, and then it is going backside in between the two scapula. It is definitely saying about the aortic dissection. You must look for this topic. Now can you see this next question, the liver abscess? Again, liver is a very important topic. The question over the liver abscess was given and the treatment management was asked. Yes, answer in this question was the medical therapy. Now can you see the next question, a 50-year-old male patient, history of the trauma on 1 week back, presents with the confusion and ataxia. Okay, so this was the case of the our subarachnoid hemorrhage. Image based question was given. You can get the complete with the 4 option and the images in our channel. So right now, no excuse with the EDH, SDH, subarachnoid hemorrhage and intracerebral hemorrhage. Sure, one question is going to ask from this topic. Next was the our again image based question in the surgery, which is false about the given condition, and there was the topic related with the hyperbaric oxygen. Yes, it was having not rule to the that image based question. So you have to learn about the hyperbaric oxygen part. Next, no excuse with the inguinal hernia. As I told you, inguinal hernia is very important topic. They are asking again and again inguinal hernia. One more question from the inguinal hernia, meralgia paresthesia. Here you can see the inguinal hernia where they ask for the conjoint tendon, and we learn this conjoint tendon topic in our anatomy. So this is the beautiful integration of the surgery as well as the anatomy. Yes, that was the analysis. Next question, definitely one question is going to ask from the your peptic ulcer disease, gastric ulcer disease. It is very important. So question had been asked about the clinical case and answer was the peptic ulcer. So don't leave the peptic ulcer disease topic. Now look for the next. There was the question related with the our occupational hazards. So construction worker came to the OPD complaining of the white fingers, and he has been working in the cement and concrete industry. So industrial hazards, these are important. Answer in this question was continuous exposure to drills and the machine. So you can see the question here. Now can you see another question was asked about the again rectal mass. Yes, our analysis is saying the rectal carcinoma, anal carcinoma as well as other rectal mass, they are important. The answer in this question was the hamartoma. Now can you see again the ulcer, burn, keloid, scar, these are important. The question over the trophic ulcer had been asked in image based question. So get ready for this topic for your next upcoming NEET PG exam. Can you see next topic? I always say to the students that arterial disease is important, venous disorder, they are important, also the lymphatic disorder. So the varicose vein had been asked. The CEAP guideline is very important. One question from the CEAP guideline, it will be used in the question, and answer was given the C4A stage. So get ready for this deep venous thrombosis or the varicose venous surgery part. Okay, now can you see the next question, again subarachnoid hemorrhage. So subarachnoid hemorrhage, this topic had been asked twice in surgery in NEET PG 2023. Answer in this question was the angiography. So get ready for this. Again I am telling you the extradural hemorrhage, subdural hemorrhage, the subarachnoid hemorrhage and intracerebral hemorrhage. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि यहां से क्वेश्चन ना आए. Now can you see the next question? This was related with the our nutrition. Yes, the IV fluid, 90% sodium hydroxide was given. Can you see the 20-year-old female patient consumed a cleaning product containing. So this is our forensic medicine integration, corrosive injury also you can say. Yes, she is having complete dysphagia. What is the best step to management for this condition? So answer was the feeding jejunostomy, because she will not be able to take oral route. Yes, now can you see one question sure from the thyroid topic. So question had been asked for the thyroglossal cyst. So this is the topic beautifully integrated with the anatomy embryology part. Now can you see, always I am saying to the students that cervical cancer, one of the most common cause of the cancer in India. Yes, in female, answer is the our cervical cancer. So their staging was given and they were asking for the our neoadjuvant chemotherapy. So answer was the chemotherapy given before radical surgery to reduce bulk of the tumor. So don't leave this cervical cancer topic. Can you see the question pattern? Yes, sir. The Glasgow coma score that are always asked, and also the SOFA score and the Q SOFA score. So get ready for the our CEAP score, our Glasgow coma score. Get ready for the SOFA and the Q SOFA score. So the question had been asked on this basis. Answer in this question was the our systolic blood pressure, respiratory rate, and the Glasgow coma score. So get ready for this question pattern. Now can you see in this our bullet train revision part? Yes, we are going to talk about the NEET PG 2020-22 question. A 6-year-old boy came with a history of the recurrent urinary tract infection. yes, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि UTI से क्वेश्चन ना है. So your important topic is the UTI. Yes, image based question was given. What is the diagnosis? So there was the answer for the vesico-ureteric reflex. So don't leave this our UTI topic. It is common in the female as well as in the children. Now the next topic was a thyroidectomy. Yes, in NEET PG 2023 the thyroid topic was important. Two question thyroid. So here in NEET PG 2022 again you can see the thyroid topic had been asked and answer in this condition of the thyroidectomy. Yes, the parathyroid gland also removed and answer was the calcium phosphate and the parathormone level. Now can you see the next question? Sir, again the next question was related with the breast. Okay, a 59-year-old lady presents with a progressive painless lump in the breast. What is the cause for the following skin changes? Infiltration of the subdermal lymphatic. I told you in NEET PG 2024-23 session, sir, one question from the arterial disease, one question from the venous disease, and one question from the lymphatic disorder. So this is a very important topic. Now can you see the next question? A child has a history of the stab injury on the anterior abdominal wall and the image is shown below. So this was the image based question. This child is hemodynamically stable. Which will be the next course of the treatment? Answer was the emergency laparotomy. Now can you see again the topic was a subarachnoid hemorrhage. This subarachnoid hemorrhage had been asked in NEET PG 2023 and two questions had been asked in NEET PG 2022. Again you can see the subarachnoid hemorrhage. So 2022 subarachnoid hemorrhage, 2023 the subarachnoid hemorrhage. So get ready for the 2024 again subarachnoid hemorrhage or the extradural hemorrhage or the your subdural hemorrhage or your intersubdural hemorrhage. Definitely one question is going to ask. Now can you see next? A patient presents with the sudden onset right leg pain. An investigation was done and the obtained image is shown below. So this was the image based question and answer was the your ultrasound Doppler. Again this topic was related with the our venous disorder, deep venous thrombosis. So venous disorder, they are important. Now can you see the question? A male patient presented with the 0.3 centimeter nodule on the left nasolabial fold. So this is the nasolabial fold and basal cell carcinoma. So get ready for the basal cell carcinoma. Yes, get ready for the squamous cell carcinoma. Get ready for the your dermoid cyst. This is the again very important topic. Questions are asked. And as I told you in the NEET PG 2023 session, that salivary gland, the parotid gland, the submandibular gland, also another gland, thyroid gland, they are surely asked. So here again the question over the salivary gland was asked, image based question, and answer was a sialolithiasis, stone in the our gland. Now can you see the intravenous urogram of the patient is given below, image based question was there, and again here the answer was the pelvic-ureteric junction obstruction. So you can see the pelvic-ureteric junction, the urinary tract part, the reflux part, the UTI, they are very common topic. Now the next question, the urethral injury. No excuse with this urethral injury. This urethra is very important for the your yes anatomy part, for the radiology part, for the surgery part. The rupture, yes, blood is seen at the meatus. So rupture was over the membranous urethra. You can remember M for meatus, M for membranous urethra. Next topic you can see a male patient presented with the midline neck swelling. So this topic is related with the surgery, with the our ENT. Also you can say the medicine. Yes, this is important topic, the midline neck swelling. And here you can see the cervical lymph node enlargement. Later he is developing histopathological lesion is shown below. So image based question was given and which was the false. So the answer was the FNAC is not diagnostic. So you have to look up for this topic, midline swelling. Now look the question, the polycystic kidney disease. This is very important topic, kidney related disorder. So you have to get ready for this. So this PCKD had been asked in 2020-22 but not in 23. Okay, so because it is important topic, you cannot leave this one. Okay, so this is the one topic. Now look here, there was the next question for the laparotomy. So remember laparotomy and laparoscopy. Yes, laparotomy, you have to go for the laparotomy topic. What are the different situation when you are going for the laparotomy, that is important topic. So a patient presents with the acute onset severe abdominal pain. He is hemodynamically stable. Chest X-ray shown below. So image based question was there. Surgery radiology question. Laparotomy, the topic you have to focus. Now can you see a patient presented with the right hypochondric pain. He had an episode of the diarrhea 1 week prior. CT scan of the abdomen reveals a liver abscess of around 25 ccs. What is the next step in the management? Emergency laparotomy. Again, laparotomy, two question had been asked in 2020-22. Now the burn is very important topic. Image based question was there, and they ask how much percent of the burn. So 25 to 30%, that was the answer. So you have to learn for the burn and its percentage. Now can you see the next topic? A 32-year male, 32-year-old patient who is chronic alcoholic. I told you alcoholism, sure, one question from the alcoholism. Presents with the oral ulcer and the burning sensation. A picture of the oral cavity is given below. Answer was the leukoplakia. So don't leave this leukoplakia topic for your upcoming exam. Now there was the question, tender pulsatile mass as shown in the image. So you have to look for the differential diagnosis of the tender pulsatile mass and the our investigation, that is the USG. So look for this topic. Now carcinoma of the prostate, I always say to the student, one question sure from the prostate, one question sure from the urethra. Yes, the BPH is important, the prostate cancer is important, and answer in this question was the prostatic venous plexus, which is responsible for the spread of the our metastasis to the lumbar vertebra through the Batson venous plexus. Now look here, a male patient present with the impotency and the bilateral resting pain. The following finding is seen in the legs. At which level the pathology occurred? Yes, aortoiliac bifurcation. So you can solve this prostate question. We discussed the Batson venous plexus. Batson, son creates problem, daughter never creates problem. Yes, also the arterial supply of the lower limb of the body. So these two surgery question easily you can crack at the platform of the anatomy. Now look, the question had been asked over the Fournier gangrene in LEAD PG 2023. Again, the topic was related to the male genital organ, penile carcinoma, varicose carcinoma. So don't leave the male genital organ according to the recent pattern. Now there was the question for the our nutrition. In 2023, intraosseous route was given. In 2022, can you see the ringer lactate had been asked? So no excuse. This is the analysis. No excuse with the route of the nutrition. Now you can see the question, sir. The image below shows the pressure sore. Again, I am telling you the burn, scar, keloid. These are important topic. So pressure sore had been asked. Staging was asked. So stage 4 was the answer. Next, the abscess. Again, your general surgery topic, intra-abdominal abscess was there. And yes, they asked most common site of the intra-abdominal abscess. Image was given 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer was the fourth point. Now, can you see? The anal canal carcinoma, rectal March 2023 question had been asked, and this is a 2022. They ask about the fistula in ano, and in anatomy we are learning this fissure in ano, fistula in ano. Yes, and there was the song, as you can remember. Yes, छुपाना भी नहीं आता, बताना भी नहीं आता. That song we dedicated. Very painful situation. Now can you see, according to the triage is very important topic. In 2022 it had been asked. 2023, yes, it had been not asked in surgery, but this topic can be asked in your PSM also. So you cannot leave the triage topic. So there was the our question asked for the green color ambulatory patient was the answer. Now we are going to talk about our surgery NEET PG 2021. Look here, a patient underwent surgery for the breast carcinoma. Again, I want to tell you one question sure from the breast. Why? Because the breast cancer is most common cancer in the female in the world. Yes, she now presents with the painless swelling involving arm as shown in the image, and answer was the lymphedema. So no excuse with the breast carcinoma. Can you see the next question? Which of the following statement is true regarding the condition given below? A mixed flora, aerobic and anaerobic infection was the answer. So this is the surgery and microbiology indicated question. Now you can see the question. There was the our surgery. There was the our radiology integration, and also we solve this question on the platform of the anatomy. So this is the beautiful question. Yes, the foreign body in the esophagus, how it will appear. So this topic we discussed already in the anatomy. Now as I was saying, always the prostate carcinoma is important topic. Prostate carcinoma, it had been asked in your NEET PG 2022, and this is 2021. So sure one question from the prostate. Yes, there was the our Gleason score 6, and most likely management was the active surveillance. Now in the similar way, bladder carcinoma, Sometimes, alternatively, here, yes, bladder carcinoma is asked. Identify the gross specimen obtained from the cystoprostatectomy. Image-based question was there. So please don't leave the bladder carcinoma also. Sometimes it is asked, sometimes it is not asked. Now, can you see the question for the presented with the pain abdomen? Resident examined the child and found that vitals were stable and tenderness was present in the left lumbar region. Which of the following is the best investigation of the choice? So we have to look for the protocol. We have to look for the CECT scan. Yes, our trauma, abdomen, trauma, chest is important topic, that is the analysis. Again, can you see the rectal carcinoma, rectal mass, anal canal mass along with the rectal prolapse is important topic. So what are the support of the rectum, what are the support of the uterus, that is important topic which we discussed in our anatomy part. Yes, underwent the surgery, the post operative image is given below. Identify the procedure, so you have to look in surgery the our thrush wiring procedure, our support of the uterus, the rectal prolapse condition, what are the different treatment surgery you have to look. Now, a patient presents following a motorcycle road traffic accident. There was the no pain or injury. Examination shows blood at the tip of the urethral meatus. Do you remember the blood at the meatus? This topic had been asked in your 2022 also. Again, I am saying the one question from the prostate and one question from the your urethra topic, sure going to ask. Yes, answer in this condition was a suprapubic cystostomy. Now, can you see the next topic? Yes, again, hernia. One question sure short from the inguinal hernia especially. Okay, so the answer in this question related with the hernia, direct hernia was asked, and Liechtenstein mesh repair had been asked in the exam. Now, can you see the next question? Again, remember the chest trauma is important topic. So here they ask with the clinical situation, insertion of the wide bore needle in the fifth intercostal space. So intercostal spaces, they are very important topic which we learn in our anatomy. On that basis, you can solve this chest trauma topic of the surgery. Now, in the similar way, you know the stone, the kidney stone as well as the your gallstone important topic. Yes, so gallstone ileus had been asked in NEET PG 2021, and the our salivary gland stone that had been asked in NEET PG 2023. So you cannot leave the stone related topic. So gallstone ileus had been asked. Now, this is the one of the very favorite question, the putty kidney. It had been asked in your NEET PG 2021. Yes, kidney related radiological examination, they are very important. And putty kidney, that is related with our tuberculosis, it is very very important. One question sure from the TB, any subject, so you have to prepare for it. And can you see the gallstone? Again, another topic for the gallstone in NEET PG 2021. Two topics, two question had been asked from the gallstone. Yes, patient went for the cholecystostomy for the gallstone. Now she now presents with the symptoms of the obstructive jaundice. Investigation reveals a stone in the common bile duct. What is stone? What is the stone most likely to be? So this is the primary stone. So you have to know the classification of the stone. This topic is related with the patho. This topic is related with the surgery. Also in biochemistry, we are learning the formation of the bile acid and the stone. Now, can you see? I am always saying one question from the arterial disease, venous disease, and lymphatic disease. So here, arterial supply of the lower limb, which we learn at our anatomy part. So answer was the aortofemoral bypass 2021 question, and this topic was repeated in 2022, not in 2023, but maybe asked in the next exams also. Now, I told you the CEAP score, the Glasgow coma score, as well as your SOFA and the QSOFA score, they are important. So CEAP score that had been asked, the venous disorder is important. C2A was the stage, was the answer. Now, can you see? Again, I am telling you the pancreatitis is very important, the alcoholism is very important, so you have to prepare for this. So answer in this question for the pancreatitis, the marker, the serum lipase was the answer. So don't leave the pancreatitis topic. Can you see the next question? Again, the image based question, the radiology integration, hollow viscous perforation had been asked. So try to understand. 25-year-old patient presents with the abdominal pain and 3 days of duration. Chest x-ray was asked. So gas under the diaphragm, if you are looking, definitely hollow viscous perforation is seen. Now look here, a patient was found to have mass arising from the antrum of the stomach, which involves the head of the pancreas and metastasis to the right lobe of the liver. How will you manage this patient? So answer was the our palliative gastrojejunostomy followed by the chemotherapy. So stomach carcinoma is very very important. Oncology is very important topic. Now we are going to talk about the surgery in NEET PG 2020 along with our bullet train speed. So question had been asked, and can you see the pattern? Now they are previous year they are asking the linear question, not too much complicated. Till now the long question with the image based, but now They are giving the one liner, two liner question. Yes, which of the following is true about the flap given in the image? So answer was the DIEP based on the deep inferior gastric artery. So we have to learn about our graft. We have to learn about our flap. Okay. Now, can you see what is the most common site for the gastrinoma in main 1 syndrome duodenum? Remember, no excuse with the main 1 and main 2 syndrome. You have to know its classification, the different cause, different organ which are involved. Now, there was the question again, arterial supply of the lower limb. So again, this topic had been asked in 2020, 2021, the 2022, in 2023, not asked, but get ready for the 2024. Yes, so there was the question, artery disease with the aortoiliac involvement. They are giving the clinical question with the chronic smoker Berger disease condition. Now, can you see the next question related to the our what? Sir, again the thyroid gland. Again, I want to tell you one gland, salivary gland means parotid gland, and the submandibular gland. Very important. Also, no excuse with the thyroid gland. Definitely questions are going to ask. So goiter case was given, true about the retroesternal goiter. They ask most of the retroesternal goiter can be removed by the neck incision. Now, can you see the next question? Patient presents with the peritonitis. So yes, you have to learn the peritonitis. That's why the peritoneum topic, also the different ligaments of the abdomen, that is very important for your, yes, anatomy as well as surgery. Okay, so they ask about the our diverticular perforation seen with the fecal peritonitis. What is the Hincke's staging? So stage 4 had been asked, so we have to look for this staging. Now look, there is again question related to the stone, gallstone, the renal stone, the salivary gland stone. These are important topic. So question was given related to the stone. Yes, a large stone was also present in the common bile duct and biliary tree to dilate it. What is the next step in management? So definitely answer will be the ERCP. Fine. So this is the radiology integration also. Now can you see again next question, the primary sclerosing cholangitis, the PSC. So this our primary sclerosing cholangitis, the cholangitis topic is also important. The bile and the liver topic, they are important. 35-year-old man presented with the recurrent episode of the fever and chills. MRCP was given, image based question was there, and they ask about the diagnosis. So primary sclerosing cholangitis. So this is our 2020, but no question in the 2021, then 22, okay, and the 23. But you cannot leave this topic. Son create problem, daughter never create problem. Can you see? Always I tell in anatomy class that Parkinson, yes, the Wilson, the Batson had been asked, the Jacobson, that is important. Yes, Jefferson is important. So one question sure from the our son topic. So Wilson's disease, it had been asked. So there was the answer. Yes, jaundice less than 7 days before development of the encephalopathy. So this was not a parameter in selection criteria for the transplantation. So liver transplantation, it was asked with integration to the Wilson disease. Next, there is the question over the Thoreco score. So you cannot leave the Thoreco score topic. It is a 2020 question. Yes, which of the following is not a component of the Thoreco score? Yes, complication of the surgery. This is not the component. So look for the next simple one-liner questions were more near the 2029, 2029 and 2020. The most common cause, most common neuroendocrine tumor of the pancreas, answer was the insulinoma. So you cannot miss the insulinoma, VIPoma, glucagonoma. Yes, you cannot leave the gastrinoma topic. Yes, asepsis, wound scoring takes all of the following into the consideration except, so answer was the induration. So wound, healing, burn, scar, keloid, you cannot leave this general surgery topic. Now can you see again one question from the lymphatic? Again I am saying you one topic from the arterial disease, one topic from the venous disorder, and one topic from the lymphatic disorder. It is very usual pattern. A patient comes with the long standing non-pitting edema in the legs. What is the most probable cause? Answer was the lymphedema. Can you see the next question? Again the sarcoid aneurysm. Question is, a 41-year-old female patient presented with the tortuous swelling over the left side of the scalp and face as shown in the image given below. The local examination, the swelling was pulsatile. Yes, the pulsatile swelling was there. So answer was the our sarcoid aneurysm. So look for the our aneurysm arterial disorder. Now can you see the pharyngeal apparatus, pharyngeal pouch, pharyngeal cleft? One question sure related to the anatomy, related to the ENT, related with the surgery. So it had been asked. Now can you see the next question? True statement about the intermittent claudication, so most commonly felt in the calf muscle. Yes, again it is related with our arterial disorder. So no excuse with the arterial disorder, no excuse with the venous disorder, no excuse with the lymphatic disorder. Remember this one. Next, which of the following is not a part of the primary survey taking CT scan of the patient? So you have to look for this our survey part also. Now can you see again the topic was our aneurysm. Yes, a 50-year-old male patient presented during his routine annual checkup is found to have an abdominal aortic aneurysm measuring 40 mm in the diameter of the USG. Which of the following is true about the management of this patient? So surgery is indicated if aneurysm diameter is more than 55 So you have to look for this all criteria. Aneurysm is important topic. Yes. Can you see the Miami criteria had been asked, and which of the following is the Miami criteria for the intraoperative parathyroid hormone measurement? You can not leave the thyroid, but also you have to look for the parathyroid because it is related with the thyroid gland. So during the thyroidectomy operation, parathyroid can be injured, it can be removed. Answer was the half fall in the 10 minutes. So this is our analysis. Don't leave this topic. Now can you see? Yes, the pheochromocytoma, it had been asked in 2020, not in 2021, not in the 2022, not in the 2023, but you cannot leave this pheochromocytoma. Yes, it is important topic. So patient was undergoing the bilateral adrenectomy, and in this condition, definitely when the bilateral adrenectomy, the cause will be the Addisonian crisis. So you have to look for this differential diagnosis. Now can you see the perforation of the esophagus is important topic. You have to remember the Boerhaave perforation. You have to remember the Mallory Wistier. So the topic had been asked related to it. Now can you see the next question in the 2020 achalasia cardia? You cannot leave the achalasia cardia, you cannot leave the esophageal carcinoma, you cannot leave the diffuse esophageal spasm, you cannot leave the endoscopic view of the esophagus. So this topic had been asked, and type 3 was asked. Yes, Chicago classification had been asked. Don't leave this topic. Now again, can you see the urethra? Urethra is important topic. One question from the urethra, one question from the prostate gland. Identify the investigation of the lesion depicted in the image given below. Image based question had been asked. Answer was a retrograde cystourethrogram with the penile urethral structure. This was the answer. According to the TNM staging, a patient, yes, lung cancer. You know, lung cancer is one of the most common cancer in the world in male as well as in female. So the staging had been asked. T1C was answer at that time. Now can you see again the renal cell carcinoma? Oncology is very important. Remember the most common cause of the death in the world. Yes, your answer is the cardiovascular disorder, MI angina. Other important causes are the diabetes, and other cause is the your cancer. So definitely one question from the cardiovascular disorder, MI angina, one question from the diabetes related, and one question from any kind of the oncology, either the lung cancer or the renal cancer or the cervical cancer. So you cannot miss the oncology part. Answer in this question was the partial nephrectomy. So this is our analysis. Look here, the SOFI score, QSOFI score, as well as the Glasgow Coma score. Yes, CEAP score, they are important, as well as you cannot miss the FAST and EFAST. So this was our long clinical question. Answer was the EFAST. Can you see? Again, I am telling you, the urethra injury and one question from the prostate is important. So there was the clinical situation. We learned in our anatomy also, even with the help of the anatomy, you can solve the surgery question. Answer was given the bulbar urethra. So now we are going to discuss about the NEET PG 2019. Can you see? Previously they are asking the one liner, simple question, but now the pattern has been changed. So this is our analysis. You have to focus for the long question. You have to look for the multiple subject integration. You have to look for the image based question. Yes, the type of the knot is important topic. Riff knot had been asked. Can you see the CA bladder? CA bladder 2019, also I think 2021 the CA bladder they asked. So after 1 year, 2 year, they are asking the bladder carcinoma condition. Yes, answer related to the pharma, the drug which is causing the carcinoma of the bladder. Answer was a cyclophosphate. Now they ask about the branchial apparatus. So branchial cyst, this is important topic. The most common site of the branchial cyst is junction of the upper and middle third of the sternocleidomastoid. And yes, again the esophagus, the Jenker's diverticula is important topic which occurs through our Killian's dehiscence. Again, we talk about this all the things in our anatomy part. So with the help of the anatomy, you can crack this surgery question. Yes, parathyroid gland. Yes, the thyroid and parathyroid gland is important. Post surgery is commonly transferred to which muscle? Brachioradialis. So this is the your answer. This is the your integration of the anatomy as well as the your surgery. Can you see what is the drug used for the estrogen dependent breast cancer? Answer was a tamoxifen. So this is the integration of the your surgery Also you can say the pharmacology, also you can say the obs gynae. So beautiful one liner questions we are asked earlier. Okay, can you see the next topic was again retroesternal goiter. We had seen this topic had been repeated. Yes, the commonest surgical approach to the retroesternal goiter is the via the neck, because it is behind the sternum. So go forth with the next common sense. Now can you see an intern placed an intercostal drainage tube in a patient, which of the following steps is incorrect? Inserted tube along the lower border of the upper rib. So this is your one kind of the intercostal space topic. We know from the anatomy costal groove is having the van, so never insert the your needle, yes, along the lower border of any rib. Okay, any rib, fine, lower border of any rib never insert, because you will cause damage to the neurovascular bundle. Anatomy you can use here, and no need of the surgery in this question. Look here, what is the size of the given blade? So you have to know about the knot, you have to know about the blade, you have to know about the instruments. So there was the our 11 number blade image based question had been asked. In a blast injury, which of the following organ is least vulnerable to the blast wave? So answer was the liver. So blast injury and abdominal visceral relation, that has been asked. Can you see the next question? The pleomorphic adenoma, again the our salivary gland tumor had been asked. A man presented with the man presents with a slowly progressive swelling over the past 1.5 year. On examination it has been variable, consistent, and appear as shown in the image. What is the probable cause? So pleomorphic adenoma had been asked. Can you see what is shown in the given image? So they ask about the sebaceous cyst. Again I want to tell you, cyst, abscess, burn, scar, keloid, healing, collagen, they are important topic, don't leave them. And again breast is important topic. This time they ask over the breast abscess. So a female patient presents with the breast abscess under antibiotic cover. An aspiration was attempted which failed to reveal any aspirate. What is the next step in the management? So a second attempt at aspiration was the answer. So don't leave the breast carcinoma, but also focus for the our, yes, fibroadenoma of the breast abscess, the Paget's disease of the nipple, this all the things. Also the Fraze syndrome, yes, very 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 important topic. We always discuss in anatomy, always discuss in ENT also. The great auricular nerve, the auriculotemporal nerve, and sometimes you have to opt the glossopharyngeal nerve. All the controversy we had seen in our anatomy and we solved. So here the vein nerve which is involved in the Fraze syndrome, auriculotemporal nerve, that's why the Fraze syndrome is also known as auriculotemporal nerve syndrome. Getting the point? Which of the following statements is false regarding the deep vein thrombosis, DVT? Mostly bilateral. So remember, always one question from the artery disease, one question from the venous disorder, and one question from the our lymphatic disorder. And again the CEAP score, the deep venous thrombosis, the varicose vein had been asked, and they were asking about the staging C2. Yes, get ready. Again I am telling you, sir, SOFA score, Q SOFA score, fast, E-fast, CEAP, Glasgow Coma score, these scores are important, they will be used. Yes, rectal carcinoma is important topic. In NEET PG 2023, they ask about the rectal carcinoma or the rectal prolapse or the rectal mass like the hematoma. So get ready for this topic. Adenocarcinoma is a rare variant of the rectal carcinoma. This was the false statement. Now, few question from the 2019. Can you see a gasless abdomen is seen in acute pancreatitis? Yes, acute pancreatitis is very commonly seen in the female due to the gallstone. The most common cause, gallstone. But yes, you will see the second most common cause, that is the alcohol. Don't leave the pancreatitis topic. The Mohammedan prayer sign, the frog sitting position, they are important. Now, gallstone. Again, I am telling you, the stone is very important topic. The gallstone, yes, it is important. Sir, the our, yes, renal stone is important topic, and one time the salivary gland stone also asked. Sialolythesis had been asked. Chemistry, yes, gallstone chemistry most commonly seen amongst the following is crystalline cholesterol monohydrate. So you have to look for the classification of the gallstone. Now a 56-year-old patient suffering from the alcoholic cirrhosis receives a healthy liver from his biological son. What is this type of the transplant? Allograft. So you cannot leave the our graft, you cannot leave the flap topic. Okay, the presence of the serpiginous ulcer on esophageal endoscopy. So don't leave the esophagus topic. Yes, the achalasia cardia important, the esophageal cancer is important. Yes, diffuse esophageal spasm is important, their radiological appearance is important, and you have to go for the endoscopic view of the our esophagus in different disorder, they are important. So serpiginous ulcer is found in the our, yes, cytomegalovirus esophagitis. Also one question, which of the following is not a part of the revised trauma score? So yes, again trauma score had been asked, and answer was the respiratory rate. So these are our bullet train revision overview for the surgery, all the previous year question and the previous year topic. So get ready. 80% of the your question in the upcoming NEET PG exam surely from here. Hope it is well very helpful for all of you. If you're liking, please like, share, subscribe and spread this knowledge. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. रिमेंबर, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना हमारा मकसद नहीं. कोशिश है कि सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. हमारे सीने में नहीं तो तुम्हारे सीने में सही. कहीं भी हो आग, लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए. आग जलनी चाहिए. ये आग जलनी चाहिए. आग जलाते हुए चलिए. दिलों में जज्बात को भड़काते हुए चलिए. आगे बढ़ते रहिए. ऑल द बेस्ट बेटा. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.